In today's video, I'm going to teach you Brainstorm in Capcut to create video ideas. If you've ever stared at a blank page trying to think of your next video, this workflow will help you move from nothing to a clear, compelling idea in just a few minutes. Start by opening Capcut on the web or in the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're in your workspace and on a stable connection so everything loads quickly. You don't need any special setup for this. We're using a built-in feature designed specifically for ideation. Next, look for the option called Brainstorm with AI. Depending on your layout, you'll find it on the home screen or within your drafts area. Click it to launch the idea generator. This space functions like a chat where you guide the AI, so think of it as your creative partner rather than a one-off tool. Now, kick things off by entering a question. Frame it around what you want to explore. For example, you could type, "How are rainbows formed?" Questions work well because they give the AI a clear direction and invite explanations, angles, and formats. You can also include the audience you're targeting or the platform you're creating for to make the output more relevant. Click Submit and let the AI process your prompt. It will return a set of ideas or directions. Read through them and notice which ones match your style, your audience, and your goal. If something looks close but not perfect, keep going. This is where the real value happens. Follow up with the AI using short, specific prompts. Ask it to refine the angle, change the tone, or tailor the idea for shorts, reels, or a longer YouTube video. You can request a hook, a 3-part outline, or a list of supporting visuals. If you're educating, ask for simple language and a clear takeaway. If you're entertaining, nudge it toward a stronger narrative or a surprising twist. You can also specify duration, target viewer level, and a call to action. Treat it like a back-and-forth conversation, shaping the idea until it feels sharp and practical. Continue this refinement loop until you form a single, solid idea you're excited to make. Aim for a concise hook, a clear structure, and at least one memorable moment. When it clicks, save your notes and keep the final prompt and response together so you can reference them during production. That's it. Your brainstorming is complete, and you're ready to create.